Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Friday, April the 8th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic. The Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, is it really 4 stars? I do not know, but I'm expecting a lot with this Tectonic because this Tectonic has 9 printed digits. 9 printed digits, and I've told you digits with 8, 9, or 10 digits. Those are the uh, difficult tectonics to be solved. Yes, and this will be number 4 3. Almost made a mistake. 81 4381 4381. Yes, 8, 9, or 10 digits. Those are the most difficult tectonics. The difficulty level for 4 stars, well, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit to solve. Yes. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I cannot see any. Oh, here, another one. A dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. Overlook this one. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3, but I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. But when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. We have here a quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need more information. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Yeah, those figures or constructions, figures, yeah, that you need to recognize. Yes. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes that you need to recognize? Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the T shape. We have it here, the T shape upside down. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. One T shape? No. Another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, we have a 2 there. Okay. 2. A 2 there. Alright. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of this kind of shape. Yeah, rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? More? No. Then the following shape, I believe the last one, this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize for solving this puzzle, yes. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. 4 out of 6. There are 6, but not in this puzzle. Maximum 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have only 4. And why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So, and that box can also not be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. 1. Can it be 1? Well. Yeah. Not easy at all. 1. 3 should be the 4 then. Can it be a 1? Yeah. 1. Yeah. 1. 3, 5. Well, this box cannot be a 1, can be a 5, but it can also not be a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. But we do not have a 4 in a triple box. The triple box contains only 1, 2, and a 3. Well, 2 and the 4 cannot be here. It's all connected. So, only 1 digit left, the 2. 2, and there also a 2. It's connected. So 2 numbers left in this triple box. 4 numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a pair, 2 and a 3. That means one digit left in this T-shaped area for the number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5, okay. 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. But we already have a 2 there, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, okay. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and that box should be a 5. Okay. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 2 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box, I've also marked this box with a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 4 and 1, 4 and 1. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 3 goes in there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And it cannot be a 3. Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright, this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 over there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. 4, okay. 4. Yeah, we need a 3. 3. This cannot be 3. That cannot be 3. Yes. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 and a 3. 1 and a 4. Ah, 1 and a 2. We already have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated a 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5. It goes there. 1 and a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. These are 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box can be a 1, this box can be 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We go up. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, can it be 2, can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. And can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means we have a double 4 there. I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 3. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 1 goes here. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Wow! 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Wrong indication. But I've told you digits with 8, 9, or 10 are difficult, but this Tectonic not. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.